I want to say that even this 1 month I found that a lot of experiences, what people wanted. So distributing 10 lakh pamphlets in 15 days is not easy. You go to all over Karnataka, okay, in wherever we are contested. But until they experience, great. But we were never worried about what we are going to do, achieve. We have achieved. And around 8,000 votes, we got it, and all over Karnataka, we are happy. We thought we may get little more, but whatever happens, that's what. When you go with the purpose of getting experience, you are no more obsessed with the destination. Okay? So destination, people have waited for years to get into whatever they want. So we also know, Timmaru ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, our rule is spirituality, our trump card is meditation. We will retain it. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕತೆ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ trump card. It does not deviate from it. How many votes we get, we are not really worried about. Have we accepted? Yes. 8,000 people have accepted. If I have spent some more money, maybe some more votes we would have, but without giving 1 rupee to anybody, we can able to. That is, we are changing the definition of even electoral experience. ಈಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 10 ಸತಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು you have seen me and another some more people have done it all over Karnataka. That is a great, not so educated people in Gangavati, Ballari, Bidar. We got very good response, almost 5,000 votes from that sector itself. So it works. Unless you get into water, you don't know what is the depth. So the average age of our candidates is 40 years. Okay. Very good. I want more and more youngsters in future. So, ನಮ್ಮ pamphlet ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, the first, the front side is only, it only talks about meditation, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋ ಪದ್ಧತಿ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ. Second side it talks about. Can you imagine 10 lakh people have got it? So we are done. And lot of things will go to Valley, lot of things will go to Dhyana. People will, I told many people, ನೀವು ಧ್ಯಾನ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ತಿರುಮಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಫೈನ್. ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಗಂಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಗಂಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಊಟ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಹಾಲು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬೆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, somebody should bell the cat, system is wrong. We have belled the cat. You only see Trimurtis, only 3 people you see, but you don't see 4th and 5th. You have communicated, loving it, not that. So good. Every educated person says we want change. We want change. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಕು. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ who is the alternative? There is a viable alternative. We have not reached the stage of viable alternative. So in this 1 month of experience, Mohan idru, Manu idru, all helped in different one or different way. Even they feel that the election is this much only. It is not something which is root of the world. You ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Good people can also stand. The message is very clear. Enlightened, educated and knowledgeable people can also contest election. The message is very clear. You can also contest election. You can also, nothing can deter from it. And hats off to the election commission who has done a great job. They are realistic. Whatever happens in the field, That is, they don't have control over it. So, still, people who are sitting here, at least if they don't participate, fine. Let this thought go forward. Let this thought get more power. But in future, things will change. What is transparency? What is accountability? What is responsibility? Nobody knows. Okay. So, but we have to bring back those values along on a spiritual platform. That's what Patriji said. Beautifully he said, the contesting election is the best way to improve your character, improve your personality, improve your Vishuddha Chakra. You communicate with the door, communicate with the poor man, communicate with the rich man, communicate. No, it's an experience. What people want is roti kapda makan, pani. But really, heart to heart, they want more and more. Really. And Patriji is right, there is a huge vacuum of spiritual vacuum. The people call the religious activities, so rituals, so I don't want to name. They connect it to spiritual. No. So many institutions on the earlier stage, they made some, on the rituals, they call it as spiritual activities. Dharma, Sampradaya, Samskruti. Keep it one side. Fine, all that Indian Dharma. This, what we are looking at is Adhyatmikate. Adhyatmikate ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಬೇರೆ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ಬೇರೆ. So Adhyatmikate vacuum ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. People get worked up if they don't get water one day. But nobody is bothered to save the water. They shave them. And the water is going. Okay. Overhead tank is leaking and they don't have common sense to off it. Okay. You have watched all these small things. And where we are heading it? These are all spiritual activities. These are all simple etiquettes. Civic sense. Garbage is piling. My house should not have. Neighbor house, let him go. So, I think starting with our own cleansing of the mind and our own psychological cleansing, our own psychic cleansing, our own spiritual should begin within our own self. I think the message is very clear. We people need spirituality like more than anything. I have seen educated people, lawyers. I went to his house, I gave my thing. He said, why you didn't come earlier? You should have come 10 years back. You should have stood for election 10 years back. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? The time has come, sir, we have come. I will vote for you, I don't know about others. So, ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಏನು people with real concerns, they have supported. Forget about votes. See, if you closely go, I think Mohan and Dimmainavರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, people have visited, but don't expect that they become votes. So we should not be using them as a vote bank. Okay, our job is to spread meditation. Our job is to spread the spiritual values. We have perfectly done it, and Patriji has called me. South Africa, he called me twice just to know what is happening. So that shows his concern. And 10 lakh pamphlet has been distributed by all the candidates. Let us give a big hand to those people. Amazing experience. Please spread this word. In 11 months, another election will come. The political process itself is a technical requirement, legal requirement. But what we are going to do out of that, another experience everybody should undergo. ನೀವು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತಿರೋವಾಗ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? There's so much of experience, so much of you will become more strong. Okay, and there are people. Patriji was right in telling, when you get into all these kind of activities, you will come across ridicule, you will come across bad comments. Okay, a lot of your good friends may disappear, whatever reason. Okay, All these things happen to us. Just one call, the Patriji was coming, 100 people were there in my house. I think he was there. I don't know, none of my kith and kin were there. So they don't want to see the naked truth, take it from me. If you're walking on the path of naked truth, it's hard to digest. No, they want only made to believe world, Maya. This is the